Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make eggs using a microwave. First, select a microwave-safe bowl or mug. It's important to choose a container that can withstand the heat. Next, lightly grease the inside of your chosen dish with a little butter or cooking spray. This simple step helps prevent your eggs from sticking. Finally, crack 1 or 2 fresh eggs directly into the prepared microwave-safe container, ready for the next step. Now let's prepare your eggs based on your preference. If you're aiming for scrambled eggs, use a fork to whisk the eggs thoroughly until the yolk and white are fully combined. For a poached-style egg, gently pierce the yolk with a fork. This crucial step prevents the yolk from bursting during cooking. You can also add about 1 tablespoon of milk or water to your scrambled eggs for an extra fluffy texture. Cooking times will vary slightly depending on your microwave's power. For 1 scrambled egg, microwave on high for about 30 to 60 seconds, stirring halfway through. If you're cooking 2 scrambled eggs, increase the time to 1 minute to 1 minute 30 seconds. For a poached-style egg, 45 to 60 seconds on high should yield a perfectly cooked result. Always check for doneness and adjust as needed. Once your eggs are cooked to your liking, carefully remove the hot dish from the microwave. Always use oven mitts or a towel to protect your hands, as the container will be very hot. Now comes the best part, seasoning. Add a pinch of salt, a dash of pepper, and any of your favorite toppings like cheese or herbs. Serve and enjoy your delicious, quickly prepared microwave eggs right away.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.